Om Shri Sai Ram. Dear student, in the last class we have discussed about some problems related to acceleration. Acceleration formula A equals to V minus U divided by T. In this class we are going to study equations of motion. Here three equations of motion. In that first equation for acceleration A equals to V minus U divided by T. It is the first equation. A equals to V minus U divided by T. And second equation S equals to ut plus half at square. Second equation S equals to ut plus half at square. U initial velocity, T time, A acceleration and S distance travelled. Okay. And third equation V square equals to U square plus 2AS. Third equation it is U final velocity, V final velocity, U initial velocity, 2 is constant, A acceleration and S it is distance travelled. So write here symbols. A means acceleration. We know that which is the SI unit of acceleration. It is meter per second square. Acceleration SI unit meter per second square. And U initial velocity. Initial velocity. U symbol denotes initial velocity. Its SI unit meter per second. And V final velocity. Final velocity. Velocity SI unit meter per second. Then here time. T means time. SI unit second. Then S. S means distance travelled. S distance travelled. Distance travelled. And its SI unit meter. So these are the symbols in this equation. First equation A equals to V minus U divided by T. Second equation S equals to ut plus half at square. Third equation V squared equals to U squared plus 2AS. Now some problems related to these equations of motion. In that first problem, a train starting from rest attains a velocity of 72 km per hour in 5 minutes. Assuming that the acceleration is uniform, find the acceleration. Second one, the distance travelled by the train for attaining the velocity. It is a problem. First, a train starting from rest attains a velocity of 72 km per hour in 5 minutes. So write data given. A train starting from rest. In rest state, its velocity equals to 0. So initial velocity U equals to 0. And that train attains a velocity of 72 km per hour in 5 minutes. In the 5 minutes, it attains 72 km per hour velocity. So final velocity V equals to 72 km per hour. It is velocity. Which is the SI unit of velocity? It is meter per second. But here in kilometer per hour, given here in kilometer per hour. So convert this in meter per second. How to convert? 72 into 1000 divided by 3600. Here 20 cancels. Then 36 ones are 36 into 2. 6 into 12, 1 remains. 7. So 2. 32 ones are 32 twos are 72. Then 2 into 20. So V equals to 20 meter per second. Final velocity value 20 meter per second. And time is given here that train attains a velocity 20 meter per second in 5 minutes. So T equals to 5 minutes. Time is in minute. Convert this in seconds. 5 into 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 5 into 60, 300 seconds. So T equals to 300 seconds. Then find the acceleration. A equals to how much? And also find the distance travelled. Distance travelled, S equals to how much? Next, first find out A equals to how much? How much? Acceleration formula. First acceleration formula, A equals to V minus U divided by T equals to V. Final velocity V, its value 20 minus U, initial velocity 0 divided by T 300 second equals to 20 minus 0, 20 divided by 300. Here 1010 cancels, 2 ones are, 2 15s are 30. So A equals to 1 by 15 meter per second square, or simplify it 1 by 15. Value of 1 by 15, 0 point, then here 10, again 0, then 100. 100 divided by 15 means 15, 6 are 90, 0.6, 90, then 10 remains, again 6. So 0.066 meter per second square. So it is the acceleration. And next find out the distance travelled. Second one, distance travelled. Yes, distance travelled formula, S equals to UT plus half AT square equals to U, initial velocity value 0, 0 into T value 300 plus half into A value is here 1 by 15, 1 by 15 into T square, 300 whole square equals to 0 into 300, 0 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 15 into 300 whole square. Its value 3 3s are 9. Here this number contains 2 zeros, so its square contains 4 zeros. 90,000. Then here 15 ones are, 15 6 are 90, 3 0 is here, 6,000. Then 2 ones are, 2 3s are 6, 3 zeros. So 3,000. So equals to 0 plus 1 into 1, 1 into 3,000, 3,000, 0 plus 3,000, 3,000 meter. So distance travelled, S is equal to 3,000 meter. Why here meter? Distance travelled, its SI unit meter. Or distance travelled, S equals to 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So yes, distance travelled equals to 3 kilometer. Second problem, a car accelerates uniformly from 18 kilometer per hour to 36 kilometer per hour in 5 seconds. Calculate the acceleration and the distance covered by the car in that time. In that time is in 5 seconds. First write here data. A car accelerates uniformly from 18 kilometer per hour to 36 kilometer per hour. Initial velocity and final velocities are given in the unit kilometer per hour. First convert that kilometer per hour into meter per second. So initial velocity u equals to 18 kilometer per hour. In the previous problem, initial velocity equals to 0 because that train it is in rest. So initial velocity equals to 0. But here initial velocity it is that a car accelerates. That means it is moving. Its initial velocity u equals to 18 kilometer per hour. Convert this in meter per second. 18 into 1000 divided by 3600. 20 cancels. 18 ones are 18 twos are 36, 2 ones are 2 5s are 10. So u equals to 5. 1 into 5, 5 meter per second. Next, final velocity v. 18 kilometer per hour to 36. V 36 kilometer per hour. 36 into 1000 divided by 3600. 20 cancels. 36 1 equals to 1 into 10 meter per second. So initial velocity u equals to 5 meter per second. Final velocity v equals to 10 meter per second. Now calculate the acceleration and time is given t. Time t is 5 seconds. It is in 5 seconds. So t equals to 5. Acceleration formula a equals to v minus u divided by t equals to v 10 minus u 5 divided by t value 5 equals to 10 minus 5 by 5 equals to 5 by 5 equals to 1. A equals to 1 meter per second squared. Why meter per second squared here? It is acceleration. Acceleration is a unit meter per second squared. Next, second, calculate the distance covered. Distance covered by the body in 5 seconds. So second one, distance traveled formula S equals to ut plus half at squared. S equals to ut plus half at square equals to u is given here, its value 5 into t 5 plus half into a1 into t square t 5 square equals to 5 5s are 25 plus half into 1 into 1 1, then here 5 square equals to 25. 25 divided by 2 equals to 2 ones are 2, 2s are 24, 1 remains, then 10, 2 5s are 10 equals to 25 plus 12.5. 25 plus 12.5 equals to 37.5. 25 plus 12.5, 0.5 here, 5 plus 2, 7, 2 plus 1, 3. So value 37.5. It is distance travelled, so it's SI unit meter. So which here distance covered by the car in 5 seconds. How much distance it is? 37.5 meter. Third problem. The brakes applied to a car produce an acceleration of 6 meter per second square in the opposite direction of the motion. If the car takes 2 seconds to stop after the application of brakes, calculate the distance it travels during this time. First write data. The brakes applied to a car produce an acceleration of 6 meter per second square in the opposite direction of the motion. Here brakes is applied in the opposite direction of motion. So acceleration A equals to 6 meter per second square. A value 6 meter per second square. It is given, but that acceleration, it is in the opposite direction to the motion. So A equals to minus 6 meter per second square. Why here negative side? Because acceleration, it is in the opposite direction to the motion. It is in the opposite direction. So A equals to minus 6 meter per second square. And after some time, after 2 seconds, some time means here time is given, after 2 seconds, t equals to 2 seconds, after if the car takes 2 seconds to stop, after 2 seconds that car comes to rest. So final velocity V equals to 0. Why here final velocity 0? After 2 seconds car stops, because here brake applies. So V equals to 0. Final velocity equals to 0. So calculate the distance travelled. S equals to how much? In 2 seconds. Calculate the distance travelled. Calculate the distance it travels during this time. This time means here 2 seconds. We know that distance travelled formula S equals to ut plus half at square. Distance travelled. In the data here t is given. T equals to how much? 2 seconds. Then half, it is a constant. Acceleration is also given. A 6 value and t value 2. But here u, initial velocity is not given. So first calculate the initial velocity using the formula A equals to V minus u divided by t. A value is given here. U initial, final velocity 0, initial velocity u. Find out this initial velocity. T is given here. So A equals to minus 6 equals to V 0 minus u divided by t. T value 2. Then here minus 6 into 2 here. Cross multiplication equals to 0 minus u. 6 into 2, 12, minus into plus minus. So minus 12 equals to here minus u. Minus 12 equals to minus u. Then minus minus cancel. So u equals to 12 meter per second. Why here meter per second? It is the SI unit of velocity. Next, formula S equals, calculate distance travelled. S equals to ut plus half at squared. U value here 12 into t 2 plus half into a value minus 6 into t square. T here 2 square equals to 12 into 2 24. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. Plus into minus minus. Here 3 into 2 square equals to 4. equals to 24 minus 3 into 4, 12. 24 minus 12 equals to 12. So distance travelled S equals to 12 meter. Distance travelled S equals to 12 meter. Okay, Sairam.